on the hinges, swinging the door to the backyard. Cut splinters, walk a tightrope, spun like a bandage, touch on the outer surface. Bright eyes of the solstice, wherever your mind is, headed for a freight train city. Locked up till your moonlit, brushing my hair